dumpster rental service in Fairview, Tennessee. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in Fairview, Tennessee? At Tandem Disposal, we proudly offer affordable and dependable dumpster rentals for both residential and commercial projects. Whether you're clearing out your garage, managing a renovation, or working at a job site, our dumpsters are the perfect solution. We help homeowners, contractors, and business owners keep their spaces clean and organized. Our rental process is easy, efficient, and designed to fit your schedule. We offer flexible options and a range of dumpster sizes to match your project's needs. Timely delivery and pickup are guaranteed so that you can stay focused on the job at hand. Our team ensures each dumpster is placed with care and picked up promptly when you're finished. We value communication and strive to provide customer service that exceeds expectations. There are no hidden fees or unnecessary delays, just reliable waste removal when you need it. We're proud to serve the Fairview community with solutions that make cleanup easier and faster. Every project is unique, and we're here to help you find the right dumpster every time. Call us at 615-390-1129 and get started with a rental that fits your timeline and budget. Tandem Disposal, Fairview's trusted partner for dumpster rentals.